Hi there, I'm Keith and Cathy Shannon from Newville, PA. This is our 69 Firebird. She always liked Firebirds. It took us probably 10 years, 15 years to find the car we wanted. It was in our price range, it was local. This is the color you see now. It's not an original color, but we had BAPs come and scan it. And they told us what color it was. It's a paint company.
That's right.
We had it repainted in the last 10 years we've been working on it. We've had, probably in the last 2 years, we had new interior put in, new windows, new interior. We had new seats put in. We had new tires put on it. They were the original Craigers. Everybody likes Craigers.
I know. I'll put them and put on my Z28.
They're period correct to the car.
Yeah.
Something like that. We get lots of compliments on the color. We found that model one time. We got a guy to put it
Smart.
together.
I did that too.
Turntable you can buy online.
Yep.
And I took it to a guy that paints cars. I gave him some of the touch-up paint. He said he could paint the model, but he had to be sure he didn't put too much paint on.
So we got this.
It would eat the plastic.
Wow.
So that's a tip you might want to remember when you're painting your model car. And it's
new bumpers.
new chrome.
New chrome. We had to put all new chrome on your arm.
Wow.
It's the 400 4-barrel. It's a 4-speed on the floor. That's from the factory. Her shifter, by the way.
Yeah, you have to look at that.
Yeah. We also had the new valve covers put on, and I have a sticker guide that actually made me stickers to go in the valve.
Really?
So it says Pontiac on the valve.
Yeah, I can see.
Details. Everybody
Little
likes
details.
details.
Yeah.
The car on the turntable, a lot of kids like that.
Nah, it's nice. I like that.
It just makes them smile. Look what you see, the mostly all black.
Wow.
Her shifter.
Wow, look at that.
This is what they call the deluxe interior. It had a little more design in it, a little more airflow.
Man, it's nice. Overly clean. Wow, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, she always complained she didn't have a console.
Woo!
$600 for that console.
Really?
Now, I thought it was plastic. It's heavy metal for a wood grain console. And that, I just added something to the interior.
This is nice.
Like the intake. I just taped all that other stuff off, covered up with rags and stuff, and then I sprayed it with a spray can.
Wow.
Of course, I wiped the overspray off then. But yeah, she had those stickers made. The guy used high temperature vinyl, so it would last under the hood.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
I hand paint most of that. Just with a big brush
You
and a
did
spray
good.
can.
You did good.
It was this color, but it was not the factory color.
Oh,
So we had BAPs. You ever hear of
Yes,
BAPs?
yes, I heard
They
it.
used their computer.
Wow.
Take pictures of it, places where it's faded and not.
And then
Then they
found-
plug it into a computer, and it tells them the closest color that it can find. Now, it said that it was a Rapus metallic blue.
Really?
So I got some touch-up paint made, and it touched inside the door to match perfect. And
Wow.
it said the closest they could tell us was a 98 or 99 Kia Sophia blue.
Get out of here. Man.
So I'm glad when he painted it, it was the same color. When you get this outside, it's really...
Really?
It's one of the few cars when you take a picture of it, it's the same color on your
Yeah,
camera.
that's right. That's right.
Some of the emblems have been replaced also.
This is the car I like.
Ooh.
And somebody asked me one time, what the difference between a Camaro and a Firebird was. I think he wasn't a car guy. I like the detail stuff,
Yes,
you
it's
might
beautiful.
see.
It's beautiful.
And I always tell him, I said, it looks like a bird.
That's right.
It has the nose and the nostrils.
That's right.
And I think on the 67, there's a front light like that. that
Get
lights
out
up
of here.
on the
I
side.
never knew
So
that.
people will look for that light and say, what's a 69? Because I see the emblem right there. If you put your lights on, that lights up.
Yeah, that lights up.
I've heard of it, but never seen it. You know,
Excuse me?
I never witnessed that.
Get it on camera because I want to watch.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't.
There
Yeah.
you go.
That's the difference between a 69. People look at that.
That right there.
Great story.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Great story. Thank you.
Wow.
Don't ever be afraid to detail your car and put stickers on it or make it individual for you.
Yeah.
People like that. You know, you have your die-hard has to be stock, and then you have people that like fancy things.
Yeah. Well, this car is modified. So,
Wow.
it goes in the modified class.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody likes Garfield.
I was looking at that through the camera.
She wasn't going to put that on there. I said, everybody likes Garfield.